Actually, I was into logistics and supply chain professional. I have
Okay.
totally 15 years of experience in that.
Mm-hmm.
And my doubt is that I have prepared almost 4 pages of my resume. With almost, I have worked with multiple companies, almost 7 companies I have worked with.
Okay.
But recently, I have applied in Amazon as a city operations head. Okay,
Amazon.
that, yeah, Amazon in Hyderabad. I'm talking about.
Okay.
One of my cousin has reviewed this profile, and he has get back to me that no one is reviewed your 4 pages of profile of your resume. So it is shortlisted to 1 page.
No, no, no,
Okay,
no, no.
yeah.
Next one, I will tell you. That is not how it is. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
uh, how does the resume start? As a 4 page ka, you cannot do it to 1 page. You cannot do 4 page resumes to 1 page because actually there is a value in your resume.
Yeah, that's what
My
I'm
resume
supposed to
is
do.
for 5 to 6 pages actually. If I talk about my resume, it is 5 to 6 pages.
Mm-hmm.
But how you need to do that is, Shravan, अब सबसे पहले objective of some first introduction things comes. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Then after that, once you start your resume, people they directly jump up into last experience, and from there then what were the objectives, what were the responsibilities, one particular company followed by another particular company followed by another particular company.
Yeah,
Before
tell me.
doing this, there
Mm.
should be a section which is advisable. In that
Some.
particular section it would be like overall keys or overall skill set.
Yeah.
In that it should be like pointers, it should be
Mm.
bullet pointers, and that particular thing should cover up everything about which you have done in overall in all the companies.
Mm-hmm.
For example, in your last company, you have done for executed some particular task.
Yeah.
That particular thing will also come as skill sets or some pointers out there. In prior to that company, if you have done some particular task, that thing will also come as pointers there. This particular section, it would be elaborate, it would be an elaboration of what you have done throughout your career, and these
Yes.
would be like pointers 1 2 3 4 5 6, something like that. And after this, right, so what happens is that once you put in this particular section, the main skill set of yours actually gets covered here in this
Yes.
particular section.
Mm.
And then it is like one time you have repeated it, one particular word, then comes your actual experience, then experience in one particular company, then comes what you executed there. That would be the detailed one. So you have to break your resumes, you have to break your resumes in 2 to 3 sections
Mm.
first, because no one would read a 3 page resume until they get the crystal details of it. You have
Yeah.
to provide them the snapshot in the sense, the details, the bullet pointers about what exactly your overall resume is all about.
Mm-hmm.
So if in case they this that first page itself will give them the feel whether to proceed ahead or not. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
That is, do this, Shravani, do this.
Mm.
And another thing is that, and while applying for any of the jobs, go ahead and ensure that you update something known as cover letter.
Yeah. Yeah. Cover letters, I have to mention it. It's a
Cover
mandatory
letters
thing
may,
nowadays.
how you have to do is that
Mm.
when it comes to second paragraph, right, you you would know the JD watch which you are applying for, job description which you are applying for,
Like logistics positions, like.
logistic positions, but the job description.
Yeah.
If you are applying for any particular detailed job description, if you have any of those job descriptions, you
Mm.
have to upload your in your cover letter, in your paragraph 2, you have to mention the details about how you have worked for that particular job which the company wants you to work in.
Okay. Okay.
These are
Got
two
it.
to three things, because if these things first, that is why the cover letter carries an importance.
Mm-hmm.
Because if one recruiter is getting hundreds of resumes for closing some 10 positions, and you know the current situation wherein requirements itself are not coming in, then the high possibility of your resume going ahead itself diminishes. So that
Okay.
is the current thing that is happening. I was having a discussion with Tulsi. She said that she's one of the HRs. She's one of the she's also in a platform. She
Mm-hmm.
said that for closing one particular requirement, now one particular requirement close करने के लिए, they are getting random resumes, like tens and hundreds of resumes for closing one requirement. And when this kind of things happen, then situation really turns tough. We
Yeah.
have to accept a fact. We have to accept first of all a fact that requirements are not many, and if there is one particular two particular requirements, 10 to 20 people are applying for that. then
yes,
the chances here itself for getting a call reduces, and that is what has happened recently because of corona current situation.
yes, yes,
So that thing should always be there in back of my mind, back of
Mhm.
your mind. But how do you come out of that is the cover letter. Cover
Mhm.
letter is something we just spoke, right? It would much before the recruiter opens up your resume, he will see your cover letter, and in that cover letter, the second section of the cover letter, you have to update that what all things you have done, which the company wants you to work in the organization.
Mhm.
सही है ना?
Yeah,
So
yeah, बराबर.
so once this has happened, then they will say that okay, this particular resume seems. Then they will go ahead and have a look at that. This is the most important thing. And
Okay.
after that, then go ahead and look at the what we say. Then as I suggested, or you said that you have already done that. If you have already done that, then try for cover letter thing. And one more important thing, Shravan, okay?
Yeah.
One resume cannot be used for applying for all the opportunities. We
Yes.
have to ensure that whenever it is possible, you have to align your resume, elaborate the details in your resume to the details wherein the person want you to work in their particular organization. And
Okay.
how this can be done? It can be done by going ahead and watching and observing the job description. Whenever a company raises a requirement, if a requirement comes to you, they would be like pointers what a person should do after joining the company. You
Yeah.
have to fine tune your resume, elaborate those particular things which are required by them the most, and then you have to apply for that particular job.
Yeah. Okay.
You have to do this, but the one base resume will not go good for all the jobs, because you
Mhm.
are making one base resume, right? It is
Yeah,
good
yeah.
for uploading in a job portal. It is good for doing that. But when you are one to one applying for jobs, you have to align your resumes. You have to elaborate what
Okay.
exactly you have done in that particular skill set. Then the chances of you getting selected increases. नहीं
Okay.
तो वो होता ही है कि if I want a particular skill set and my resume is lengthy 5 to 6 pages and I am only talking
It
about
is
that
not
particular
relevant.
skill set,
Yeah, yeah.
हाँ नहीं होगा.
Mhm.
अगर वो skill set जो company को चाहिए, if we are operating for that particular skill set and we are not elaborating that, then gives an impression that अच्छा इतना लंबा resume, but they will not even read it. It is
Yeah,
a
yeah.
fact until we give them the synopsis that on cover page stating that I have मैंने 5-6 साल ये skill set पे काम. You understand Hindi, right?
Yeah, yeah. Hindi also. Hmm.
हाँ तो वो when like I have worked on this particular 5-6 साल मैंने यही skill set पे काम किया as a project manager. I have done this all particular things in the cover letter. Then
Hmm.
probably वो वहाँ पर जाके change maker होता है.
Okay.
So
और
it's
एक
very
बात just I
important
want
thing.
to know it. Actually, based on my experience, okay, whenever the interviewer first they will ask that like, tell me about yourself, okay, I will give some lengthy explanation to them, almost 20 to 30 minutes, okay. In that resume, they will listen everything, but I don't think so. They won't listen. Just I'm telling whatever the mentioned in my resume, I will tell it. But they won't concentrate on it even. So is it needed to tell each and every company job responsibilities and role and what are the achievements in that company?
No, it's not required. In the
Because
first question, tell me something about yourself now.
Mhm.
This answer should be a short answer. What it should be like, we have conducted a session particularly about how to answer this interview question and answers. Okay, I
Mhm.
will share that link in our group. You are there, Kumar, right?
Yes, yes,
I
I'm
will
there.
share one thing. Okay,
Mhm.
this
Mhm.
question is not like tell me, take me through your resume. There is a
Mhm.
difference between this particular question and tell me something about yourself. There is a big difference. When a person is asking you to tell you something about yourself, you have to keep it short and clear, stating that you have worked on this particular skill set for these many years, from where
Mhm.
you completed your education, and which all
Mhm.
organizations you have worked with. Somewhat, if you talk about professional, this is what you can talk about. Then follows the question, okay, what you did in this particular organization, if you can take you through the particular resume, then the details flows in like that.